In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Webflow with just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to enhance your web page with some lively visuals or just want to spice things up, integrating a GIF into your Webflow project is a straightforward process. And I'll guide you through each step. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Webflow website. You can do this by opening your web browser and heading over to webflow.com. Once there, you should see the option to log in. Click on Log In to access your Webflow account. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account first, but assuming you have one, enter your login credentials and proceed. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Webflow dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your projects, and from here, select the specific project where you'd like to add a GIF. You can simply click on the project name to open it, and you'll be taken to the project's workspace. Once you're inside your selected project, look over to the panel on the left side of your screen and find the Add Elements section. Clicking on this will open a menu of elements you can use in your design. It's a veritable toolbox full of options, but for now, we're interested in finding the image element. To do this, type image in the search bar within the panel to quickly locate it. When you find the image option, click on it to add it to your canvas. This action prompts a placeholder to appear where you can later insert your GIF. Now, it's time to upload your GIF. Look for the Upload button, often represented by an icon resembling an upward arrow or the word upload itself, and click on it. At this point, a dialog box will open, allowing you to browse through your device's files. Navigate to the folder where your GIF is stored, select the GIF file you want to use, and confirm the upload. Once uploaded, your GIF will automatically populate the spot where the image placeholder was positioned. And that's it. Now, your web page features an engaging and dynamic GIF, thanks to Webflow's intuitive interface. Remember, embedding GIFs is a fantastic way to make your website more interactive and visually appealing, capturing the attention of all who visit. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes your website come alive with vibrant motion. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy designing!